Dear faculty members of the Department of Tourism and other colleagues and my dear students. So our college, CPA College of Global Studies, is starting the activities of tourism of this year with a number of activities. So we know tourism is not the monopoly of a department alone, but it is the part of the life activity of the whole society. Today, every nation or every country is depending upon tourism for their income. So you see, just we are suffering out of COVID, but before that every country is encouraging the tourism activities, and they attract the people of different countries and different religions, and for every section or for every people, that whatever they are, they have the interest, that they have their own sightseeing, whether it may be natural sightseeing or the huge monuments or others or something camp types. So when this tourism develops, it should be very scientific, because unless and until that we are not giving the apt teaching of the tourism and how to maintain it, that the people will be fed up with. But now every country, they have their tourism department. So the study of this tourism and taking a degree or PG in this subject, it is lucrative, that there is the chances of jobs in all the countries. So I know very much students of the colleges. They are seeking their jobs not only in India but in all the foreign countries. And my students who studied for tourism, that they are working now in Canada, Australia and other countries. So they induce us that to teach the tourism for the students and ask them to study tourism as a subject. So it includes all kinds of tourism activities. From the tour master, we can just see the travels and how to make the records of our travels and how to write on it, and how to improve the tourism spots of the countries and how to create new spots on tourism. So in India and also in Kerala, Kerala is wholly a tourist land, that all the plants and all the that our canals, our rivers and our paddy fields, everything is for the foreigners, it is like a tourism spot. So we also have our own opportunities to develop the tourism. The government of Kerala nowadays giving much interest in this development of this tourism in many ways. There is tourism connected with water and also connected with the nature, and also have the buildings, different buildings as monuments and many other things we have. And also in your locality, you find out how it can be developed as a center for touring from the other people. And also you can create a museum in your own village by collecting the old things from your old houses. And also we can contribute to the government and also to the society that may attract the people from other side. You see, many Arabs are coming to Kerala. For what purpose? They enjoy our climate and also they enjoy our lifestyle. And when we go to the Gulf countries, we enjoy there. So this kind of differences, this kind of diversity gives the people a collective living, that there will be no land which is not known to them. There will be no barrier to them. They can start their touring from any corner of the world and they can go everywhere, because in every country there is the permit and every other facilities for the tourists are very much extensive. So this is we were not losing by this, but we are gaining. We can have our own projects and also activities, and my students, you find your own activities and you expand it so that you can contribute with the society. So here we have much opportunities, and also we can also, after studying it, there is much scope for jobs, and also you can yourself develop it by studying these different techniques of tourism. So now we have our chief guest, and he will have his words to you, and here I am stopping, I am halting my speech. Thank you very much.